Hi guys, welcome to Chefika's kitchen. My name is Nestle and in today's episode I will make dinner rolls. I have here some all-purpose flour, some lukewarm milk, also lukewarm water, melted butter, 1 egg, some sugar, my yeast and salt. First, I have to let my yeast bloom. For that, I take my milk and my water, my yeast and my sugar, mix them together. And also add my melted butter in it. And let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. My yeast did bloom. Now I just take my flour and all the rest of my ingredients, put it in my mixing bowl. You can do that step also by hand. And let it knead until I get a smooth dough on medium speed. I did let my dough knead for around 5 minutes on medium speed. Now I take it out of the bowl. And roll it to a ball. My dough is very moist, but it doesn't stick anymore on my hands. Now I just take a little oil, give it in my bowl, and also on my dough. That helps that the dough comes later better out of the bowl and protects from drying the surface. And now I will cover it with some plastic wrap and let it rise for around 1 hour, and then we're gonna continue. My dough did rest for an hour. Now it's ready to continue. I take my dough out of the bowl and knead it very quick, not too much. Roll it back to a bowl. Now I will cut my dough in little pieces to roll my dinner rolls. I like to grease a little my baking dish. You can use also parchment paper, works also fine. Now I take one of my little dough pieces, flat it out, and then roll it and push the ends in it. Flat it out, roll it, and push the ends underneath. I did roll all of my dinner rolls. Before I'm gonna bake them, I will cover them and let them proof for around 30 minutes. After that, I will put a lightly egg wash on top and let them bake at 350 degrees preheated oven until they get nice and golden brown. My dinner rolls are now baked. I like to brush them with some melted butter on top that they can get a nice shine, and also for the flavor. And then I'm gonna cover them and let them rest for 10 minutes. My dinner rolls are now ready to serve. I like to serve them when they are still warm. I hope you will like the recipe. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. I will put all the exact measurements in the description box down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.